Saturday, brother. Let's lower this a little bit. Okay, so based upon my sneezing video that I did where I had inadvertently set off the the alarm in the house, someone left a comment saying I should do the sneeze challenge, like see how many times I could sneeze in 5 minutes, and they suggested maybe just sniffing some pepper, not snorting, sniffing. So okay, I'm gonna create a little concoction. I have some that is thyme, that is not black pepper. Pause. Okay, I am back. So, black pepper.
Did you start?
I'm starting. Oh. Are you setting the alarm?
No, I turned it off so if I open the door, it won't.
Ah. Some crushed red pepper in there. Stir this up. Take a sniff. My nose is already tickling. And yeah, it's tickling already. I hope I don't sneeze it and blow this like all over the floor, and the kitties are gonna go crazy. Crazy! I can't even talk. Kitties are going to go crazy. Kitties being Duke and Dolly, our dogs. Okay. Here we go. Here's the concoction. Black pepper and red pepper. Sniff. Sniff. And let's see. Play some music. It's tickling, but I don't feel a sneeze coming on. I don't feel a sneeze. I feel tickles, but no sneeze. It actually smells, doesn't smell bad. I guess, you know, this probably really wouldn't work for me. Maybe I'm like immune to it or something. And I say that because I had, the other night, I think it was Thursday, I was cooking and recipe called for some pepper, and I had picked this up, and I thought I had, you know, tore open the, you know, the dotty side, I don't know what to call it, but inadvertently I did this side, and I was kind of like in a rush. It was late, I was tired, and I was like, oh, I got cooking, and I usually like to cook, but that day, I was like, oh, cooking, wasn't really feeling it, so I went to pour in some black pepper, because I like to see my seasoning, and I love black pepper, and this side was opened by mistake, or I opened this side by mistake, and poured, like, prior to the start of the week, the black pepper was up to here, and after that incident, I like used like half the bottle by mistake. Yeah, not good. I was able to scoop out a lot of it. Like, I didn't mix it right away, so I was able to scoop out a lot of it. But it just didn't. I scooped out most of it, but when you looked at the dish, once I stirred up what was left, it's like, did I put chia seeds in my food? Like, it was so many specks of like little black pepper. It was ridiculous. But yeah, that's what happened. Okay, so I've been chatting for like 4 minutes. I'm immune to black pepper. I don't know what to do. I saw a video, like some guy was like putting something up his nose, and it's like, eeh, I don't think I want to do that. And I am prone to getting, this is maybe TMI, but I am prone to getting like bloody noses, so I don't want to do that. I didn't get like blood all over my super cute pink shirt, or yellow shirt with the pink lips. Try to make pink lips to match my pink shirt. But okay, this was a try, a swing and a miss. Maybe I'll set this up one morning when my allergies are just going crazy, because there's been some mornings where I had just sneezed and sneezed and sneezed, and I'm like, oh my gosh, my nose is going to be pink like Rudolph, but that did not happen. So until another day, we shall try this again.